Good morning, folks. Wanted to bring something to everybody's attention that I noticed. Well, of course, first off, got a little friend right here. But over here on Lasco C2, you can see that we're having jumps in time. I mean, there's 2 frames there. But, I mean, there's about 30 minutes missing time there. But it goes even worse. 1938. So to 2400, that's 5 hours right there. Add another one, that's 6 hours of missing data that we are missing, that we're paying for, taxpayer money. Where did it go? So something happened. You can see it going off the right side there, but it's not showing up anywhere else. That's for certain. So it's not just on Lasco C2, it's also on Lasco C3. Just downloads all. We'll show you again. Whoop. Here we go. 1906, 1830, 42. Boom. There we go. Same ordeal. Missing data. Where did it go? Who knows? Same amount of time frame too. 6 hours. So I was like, well, let's see if I can rectify this, right? Like, well, let's see if I'll come over here to the little back door over here to Sneeds. Oh, Sneeds. Seeds. Nope, same thing. It stops right at 1923. Last frame, displaying 32 of 32, stops at 1923. Go to the next day, which is first frame or 23, even more time. So something happened, and we have no idea what it was. Or something got in the way. So start paying attention to the skies, folks. Something might be coming that they're not wanting us to take a look at. I even went here onto SDO, looked at every screen, and I can't find anything whatsoever. Here at our Earthquake Volcanoes Discovery.com, obviously we're getting a lot. We have 5.1 out in Sumatra, Indonesia. These are all 3.0s and greater. 5.2 South Atlantic, another 5.7. So that was right over here, right there. Oh boy, fun stuff there, huh? Sandwich Islands right over here. We had 2 of them, 5.2 and a 4.6. 4.6, 5.0. Yeah, fun stuff. Why are all these earthquakes all of a sudden? I mean, in the middle of the ocean now. They're happening everywhere. Why is that? Something might be coming. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. I hate it when my stinking computer does that. But anyway, so yeah, we're getting quite a bit of 5.0s. There was a couple of them have been downgraded. That were 6.5s and got downgraded to a 4.8. I was actually sent an email about it. Someone that was on it, they seen it first thing this morning. I was like, oh boy, and I believe that was in La Palma. La Palma, we got a bunch of them going off, of course. But start paying attention, folks. Looked everywhere that you can. I don't know where else to start looking. I mean, I've already checked out the Schumann resonance, and the Schumann looks normal. I'm kind of at a loss. I'm not gonna lie. Things are looking very interesting. We can go to current space weather and see about plasma. I know where we're gonna be getting hit the next few days. Major way. Look at this. We knew that we were gonna be getting hit here, but what in the heck? 50 on the 15th or 16th? What is happening here? There's the 10th. Today's 12th. This is all different than yesterday's. It looks like something fired off at the sun right at us. Let's see if I can find something for us, because yeah, I'm not seeing it anywhere else. I'm over here at Space Weather Prediction Center, and Lil's showing that we're only going to be getting a high of maybe 25. Everything here, 1s and 2s. Might have had a little, but like that's nothing. I've already looked down here at our deabsorption prediction. We've got nothing. And I also came over here to here, and nothing pops off. So where's all that high density plasma coming from? Could it be coming from the coronal hole that looks like an upside down triangle? I don't know. Well, that chart seems to change every day over at the European Space Agency, doesn't it? I mean, look at this. This is totally different than yesterday. Totally different. It showed here, it showed like two or three of them, and now it's changed, and now we're weighing the heck up here into 50 centimeters cubed. That's black. That's thick, dense plasma. Head scratcher, folks. Stay safe out there. If I see anything, I'll let you know. Have a good one. Make sure you guys got food and water and ways to cook it.